Hey, welcome to Chaos Break. I am Amy.
I'm Amanda.
And today we're doing
Birchbox.
for
February. March
2019. Want to see what she got in her Birchbox this month? I almost said this year. Sit back.
Well, it is this year.
Yeah, I guess.
It's also this month. Okay, go ahead.
Sit back, take a break at that.
Oh, Sunday. Oh, Monday. Oh, Tuesday.
Feature is $10 a month. We'll link it below if you want to check it out. A lot of times there's deals like if you get a pile of months. A pile of months.
Cool, don't get a pile of lumps. So sorry. I just wiped that out for you. There you go.
If you pay for several months at a time, a lot of times there's discounts. Okay. So, I like the box a lot. Do you like the box?
It's cute.
I like the box.
If you save these, you could like put a label over them and give them gift boxes.
Mm-hmm. They're cute. So you usually get 5 sample-y things in here. Invent the reality you want to live. The future starts now. We were just talking about something like that, yes.
Weird.
Now we're not as
Yellow.
yellow. So, she pulled out the Curl Keeper by Curly Hair Solutions. Huh. Full size retails for $19. It says, take control of your curls with this lightweight cream. I can't read. Use it to define, soften, and defrizz freshly washed strands. Later add water to reactivate it and restyle.
I usually do that with most stuff anyway.
Well, it's saying just add water to your hair to reactivate
I know.
it.
I usually do that anyway. Like when it gets,
Frizzy?
done or
Just
whatever.
add water.
Like today when I had time to shower, and I just misted my hair.
Did I wake you up, or were you waking
I had
up?
just woke up.
Okay.
I saw that. Next we have
Amika.
Reset Pink Charcoal. What is pink charcoal?
I don't know. They just colored.
Scalp cleansing oil.
Full size is
Interesting.
$25. Made with detoxifying pink clay and stimulating maize flour extract. This oil to foam pre-shampoo treatment removes product buildup. Apply to dry. I quit. Oh my god.
Okay.
Apply to a dry scalp.
You want to do this? Okay.
Massage, then rinse. I can usually read just fine.
It doesn't have a smell.
Yes, it does.
Does it?
It's light.
My nose is still messed up though. Alright. Comfort Zone Active Pureness Fluid Mattifying Hydrating Fluid.
Oh.
Well, that sounds interesting.
The full size of that is $43. This lightweight moisturizer hydrates your skin with mattifying powders, while mattifying powders create a smooth, even surface, making it an ideal base for makeup. So it's like a primer.
Oh, so you don't wear it alone?
I think you could probably wear it with or without makeup. Well, it's also supposed to be a moisturizer, so I don't know that it's going to. Although it says mattify, too, so.
I'll just put that part to what it looks like.
Well, I see some eyeshadow we missed now.
Nice.
I feel like it.
Made me shinier?
Yes.
Nice.
And red.
Beautiful. That's fun. I don't smell a smell.
Amanda has a messed up nose. I do, and it's kind of strong. It's very fragrancy. What's the ingredients? Fragrance. It's towards the bottom-ish, but there's fragrance in there.
Does it not look so shiny now? I don't know if when it dries, it probably doesn't look so shiny.
Yeah, no, I don't think it does look as shiny
Cool.
anymore.
Nice. I like stuff that does that because I have a really shiny nose. I'm like Rudolph. Okay. Oh.
There you go. You were just talking about that.
Grande.
Oh,
Grande.
never mind. That's not what I thought it was.
Is it a colored one?
No. I thought
that
it
what it
was.
was?
I saw the eye in the primer part, and I thought it was eyeshadow
Oh,
primer.
no. It's Pre-Mascara Microfiber Formula. Yeah, there's going to be little hairs. It's a white pre-mascara. So, there is a brand that does something like this. I already had it once. I liked it.
Okay.
You put one layer on, it's white, and then you put the mascara on.
Okay.
I can't remember what brand that was.
So this is $25 full size. Swipe on 1 to 2 coats of this fiber and peptide-infused lash primer as a base to boost your mascara strength and get thicker, longer, and stronger lashes.
It says they're infused with microfibers that won't fall into your eyes. So
when we open it, there's not going to be little hairs that fly everywhere.
it says it won't do that. Oh, that's little.
It's white. Dun, dun, dun. Okay.
I don't see little fibers.
Excuse me. Lunches.
Interesting. I'll try it. Let's see.
Cool.
Next and lastly, the Beauty Crop Lightening Crew Nourished with Pineapple and Green Tea Highlighting Cream.
This highlighter lends a glow to the high points of your face when applied to targeted areas, or an all-over luminous look when mixed in with your foundation or face cream for $12.
Do you just have that?
You don't want it?
No, I don't want that.
You don't even want to try it?
I'm not going to use a highlighting cream. I don't know how or where to put it.
Well, you can put it with
I don't
moisturizer
wear
too, but
foundation.
you don't like your face to glow. Your child's telling my dog to be quiet. Sweet.
Seems you're working.
Sweet boy. I want to know if it's... Okay, I wonder if this is eye safe, because this could make a pretty eyeshadow for you.
Really? Let me see the color. Oh, it is pretty.
See?
Now I want to see what it looks like.
Oh!
See, you probably wouldn't put that on your face as a highlighter anyway, would you? I mean, would you?
I don't know.
Where would you put it?
Hi, like right here.
Am I doing that right?
You're a little high.
Damn it.
Your bone.
It is my bone!
Yeah, but your bone down here, not up here.
I only have one bone in my face. Well, there. See, feel it. It's right there. Oh my god.
Help! It's actually pretty. Look at it. Just ignore that. You're so cute. But would you use that as an eyeshadow topper?
Sure.
Because it is pretty.
Alright, I totally messed it up. Where is it?
It's right here.
Is it bad? Should I get rid of
Your
it?
face is getting red from wiping it with all that. You have glitter all over you. Hold on.
This is why I don't wear makeup.
You wear makeup.
I just look like a clown.
Just not face makeup.
I just look like a clown when I try.
Hold on.
And people say, are you wearing makeup? Why did you put that there? That's Amy usually though.
No.
Wait, why did you put sparkles on your lips? I swear that's where I put it.
Yeah, but you were going clear up here, like underneath your eye. Did it hurt you?
No.
Oh, you went like you were in pain.
Drama.
Dramatic Amanda. My dog's name is Bella. I don't know. Look at yourself. Turn your face so it picks it up.
It's not bad. How does it look? Ah,
Yeah.
there we go.
You can tilt it or...
I don't have my glasses on, so it's not bad.
That actually sits on your skin really nice. I feel like I
I
need
really
to...
put it on my cheeks, though, didn't I?
Yeah.
Oh well, it's blush and highlighter now.
I feel like I need a little dot because I put it on one side. Maybe I should put it on the other. Yeah, way too much. I don't know. Doesn't look bad. Or this would be really pretty if you do like something really simple with eyeshadow just to kind of wipe it over top of it.
I wish I'd never cut my hair.
Yeah. I miss your hair.
Yeah.
Alright, now that we played with a lot of
That was
highlight.
fun. That editing material for Amy.
What do you think of the box this month?
I like it. I do. I think I like it better than last time.
Yeah. I think it is better than last month.
Yeah. So.
Cool. That was Birchbox for March 2019. And thank you for joining us today. We hope you have a great day. We will see you next time. If you like videos like this, subscribe before you go. Bye-bye.
Oh,